Hi, it's Joe Wiesner with a just listed home of the day, and today I'm in scenic Mullica Township, New Jersey, and it uses the Hamilton zip code 08037, but you're definitely in Mullica Township here. And for those of you who don't know Mullica Township, it's a very rural, scenic, deer, wildlife everywhere, and home of the famous Sweetwater River deck. We've got a beautiful house here behind us. I'm going to show it to you now. The house has 1,632 square feet, and it's on a 1.5 acre parcel, and it's situated here right on Pleasant Mills Road, which is a main artery but very little traffic, not far from the Mullica River. House will need some updates, but it's a big sprawling rancher, 4 beds. We're going to call it 1.25 baths, and here you can see the kitchen in pretty good shape. Put a kitchen table right here, no problem. A really nice feature of this home is the wood floors, as evidenced here in the family room. And of course you have plenty of windows that open up to the huge backyard area. Bedroom number 4 right here. You've got a full bath here. This one would be bedroom number 3. Bed number 2. I'm not 100% certain, but I'm pretty sure that there's wood floors underneath these carpets. So you can see the size of this room. It's pretty big. This is probably 14 by 17, very large area here. And then the master bedroom is exactly that, it's huge. This measures likely 15 by 18, thereabouts. You've got a closet, all kinds of windows on the perimeter walls. Really big space here, so make it your own. We got more hardwood floors, and that's a really key feature to the house, really nice. There's a split zone air conditioner heater combo right here. So that really puts out a lot of volume as far as winter, the heat, and summer. Here you have a big laundry room, and this is what we're going to call the quarter bath right here. The 1.5 acres, you can see how expansive this backyard is. And the prior owner absolutely loved the outdoors, and there's no shortage of landscape planting beds here, no shortage of bird houses, all kinds of really nature related items. They're all here for you to enjoy. She's got a little greenhouse here, dog kennel, and this area, which makes it really nice, is fenced in, so ultimate in privacy. Got your bulb plantings right here. You have another nice little area here, and you could really make this yard something spectacular. Back here, of course, you're out in rural South Jersey, and Mullica Township is really one of the most scenic places that you could ever visit. And if you have the opportunity to live here, kids go to Cedar Creek High School. And in rural America, rural South Jersey, you have septic systems. This one happens to be a raised bed, which is right back here. You have this really large 2-car garage. I stepped it off. Not sure if my feet are growing, but I think that it's 30 by 30, but it may be 27 by 27. Let's check it out. Really big space here to work on your cars or store your cars, any kind of equipment. So this is a really functional building and something that could be useful to any homeowner. Use it as you please. On the other side here, we have some chicken coops, fenced in, really nice, and the property goes back even further. Got a wood pile back there. To recap, we're in Mullica Township. We have 1,632 square feet, 1.5 acres of rural beauty, and the children go to Cedar Creek High School and Mullica Township schools. And you got the Sweetwater River deck and the Mullica River steps away. The property is 4 beds, 1.25 baths, and this is something that you definitely make your own. It's not a perfect property, but it's priced in the range where you could make it your own and make it something really spectacular. It's a terrific rural property. If you're into nature, if you're into birds, if you're into mechanics, you got the garage back there. You have 1,632 square feet. And if you're into Joe Wiesner Realty, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you at the settlement table.